Alright, look at that. Transformer Ratchet, third party from Rescue Pioneer JH01. Stay tuned for the review. Hi guys, so welcome back to Articulate. Today I will be looking at Rescue Pioneer here, a third party Transformer Autobots of Ratchet, the medic from the original Transformer movie. And I have to say, the design of this oversized third party Transformer is absolutely amazing. Look at that. The sculpt, the detailing is exactly as the MPM version. Of course, the MPM version does suffer from a bit of quality issues compared to this third party, whereby the third party really put a lot of work in terms of painting. Also, if you look at it closely, the this yellow greenish yellowish paint is much more better than the MPM Transformer. So look at that. The headlights is absolutely stunning. Even the tools are all very well defined, as you can see on the side. Very impressive. Of course, Ratchet only comes with two accessories on his right hand. Over here, that is the I believe energon gun, and also the saw blade on the left hand here. Other than that, this is the only accessory that will be included inside the box. Other than that, the Autobot himself is looking very impressive. Look at the back. Look at that backpack. Although it is a very huge backpack, but it does make Ratchet really looks almost exactly like the CG version of Ratchet in the movie. The sculpt design, they try to maintain very much similar to the movie. I get to praise Hasbro and Takara for doing this MPM. No one could have imagined that this Transformer MPM is almost as close as the movie version. Look at that. Now, in terms of articulation, as you can see, the head can move up and down, left and right, no problem at all. These headlights actually does move around very nicely, and the chest piece here is very nice. All you need to do is actually rotate this into a V shape, and Ratchet will look very impressive. This is the handgun provided in the box. The arms actually can twist up. This piece here can rotate very nicely, and the legs here actually is very articulated. As you can see, it does bend 90 degrees, no problem at all. The Ratchet sound is very solid. Over here, down here, this piece is a die-cast piece. It is quite solid. And on the left hand, it does come with this saw blade, and also a missile you need to install by yourself. The hands is very interesting. As you can see, there's two thumbs here and three fingers here. This thumb actually is articulated. You can actually pose him and turn around, no problem at all. The detailing of these hands are very impressive. Look at that, absolutely stunning. Over here at the side, of course, the bulk is the backpack is slightly bigger than normal, but it does look very nicely tucked behind. The legs also is very detailed. All these are all in colored, all painted nicely. At the bottom here, there's a piston also painted in metallic blue. Very nice. There are some detailing inside also. Very impressive. Look at that. I'm not a fan of this vehicle mode. If you want to transform him, no problem at all. You may want to check band Collectibles for the guide to transform him into a medic jeep. No problem at all. So as you can see here, this is the vehicle mode, and the jeep is looking very impressive. You can actually tuck the saw blade at the back and also the handgun at the top of the vehicle. Overall, the look is absolutely stunning. Look at that. So next I will be showing you the height comparison with the other figures shortly. So on my left hand side, this is the G1 wheel jack. As you can see, wheel jack is slightly shorter than the MPM Ratchet here. Next I will have Optimus Prime from Legendary Toys. It does scale very nicely with each other. As you can see, Legendary Toys is Optimus Prime here is slightly higher than this Ratchet MPM. If you do have the much more bigger oversize Black Apple or the Weijiang, probably that will look way much higher. But in terms of size, if you put these guys together, it does look very nice, absolutely stunning. So there you have it. This is the JH01. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Until then, Articulate signing off. Remember to share, subscribe, and spread the love. See you guys next time.